Britt, I'm from Memphis, Tennessee.
Jim Peters, Plaistow, New Hampshire.
I'm Quinn, and I'm from Hampton, New Hampshire.
I'm Andrew Milham. I'm from Bethlehem, Pennsylvania.
My name is Alex, and I'm from Turtle Creek, Pennsylvania.
My name is Jose, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois.
My name is David Irish, and I'm from Birmingham, Alabama.
I'm Troy. I'm from Freeport, New York.
My name is Tyler. I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana.
My name is Michael Hollister. I'm from Butler, Alabama.
My name is Tagabo Ashebo, and I am from Washington, D.C.
My name is Getachew Mandafro. I'm from Washington, D.C.
My name is Dan Ware. I'm from Quarryville, Pennsylvania.
My name is Edmund. I'm from Staten Island, New York.
My name is Alex. I am from Southern New Jersey.
I'm Kevin from Butler, Alabama.
Zach Fisher from Mardella Springs, Maryland.
My name is Christopher Harris. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
I decided to visit the seminar due to the fact that I would like to start my own business. A few years back, I found a craft that I liked to get into, and I had a joy out of it. So that's why I decided to come here.
Originally, I came down here with my grandson for him to start a business and for me to do my own detailing. Based on my experience here, I'll probably do some detailing on my own and maybe start a part-time business.
I wanted to attend it because I wanted to start my own business, and I figured car detailing, I like cars, so figured car detailing would be a good way to start.
I wanted to learn some new techniques and learn more about paint correction.
I looked online, and it was the most credible training place.
I just decided to open up a business and come and learn more of the craft.
I really wanted to start detailing and open a business, but I wanted to do it the right way. So I came across Detail King, and on the website gave the best information I could find, and everything was orderly and detailed, so chose here.
I just wanted to improve on my business.
Being a professional, you need to stay up to date on training and industry standards. So that's why I came to get a little bit more training and knowledge on things to do in a profession.
I came to try to help my dad out with his business, learn detailing for him, and just try to grow what he does.
Yes, I do have a car wash business, and I wanted to add a detailing service. So we decided to come and join you guys, and it was good.
I decided to attend because I've been in food service management for most of my life, and I wanted to try something completely different. This is completely different in a good way.
I've been in cleaning services for years, and I want to add this detail on my business. That's why I choose Detail King. I want to learn from the best to be the best.
I wanted to learn as a businessman and grow in my craft.
My father wanted to add detailing along to the body shop business, so he sent me.
I wanted to improve my detailing knowledge and skills.
I decided to attend to grow as a detailer, gain as much knowledge as possible as I'm looking to start in the business.
It was awesome, man. I enjoyed myself. I guess it was a lot I learned. There's a lot of new things I learned, by the way, and a lot that I didn't know that I did learn. So it was awesome.
Absolutely, it's excellent, informational, things I didn't even know before, and the booklet's a great reference material.
I knew a little bit, but I also learned way more than I thought I was.
The business portion was great. It brought up a lot of stuff I learned in college and brought that back to my mind that I haven't thought about since then.
It was amazing. I learned way more than I thought I was going to learn.
I think it was wonderful. It gives you a lot of insight of the business portion of the business.
It was amazing. I learned a lot more than I bargained for, but it was very necessary.
It was awesome. I learned a lot, to take me to the next level.
Business class was good. Gave me some ideas on how to advertise and market my business a little bit better.
It was great. I learned a lot of things I didn't know before and might consider even starting up my own business.
It was awesome. I learned a lot, which I can't wait to take it back and implement it at the car wash.
I had said something to my wife. I said just the business class in itself, the packet of information, for me personally was worth every penny.
That was amazing. It teaches you everything, Even if you don't know anything about the business, you can learn everything in this class.
The Detail King business class has given me the blueprint to be successful as a mobile detailing business.
It was pretty important to me. It really helped me learn whether I could stop myself from getting ripped off with the right prices.
I learned a lot more than I was expecting to learn, and just by lunch.
The business class was very informative, a lot of information, but it was a lot of useful information.
It was fun. It was great. I got a chance to, touch the polishers, the buffers or whatnot, something that I haven't had a chance to get into.
Again, it was excellent. I didn't expect as much as I was going to learn there. And some areas of the car I never even thought about cleaning and learned as well.
The hands-on was perfect because I've never used an orbital buffer or anything, so that was good.
It's been pretty great. It's definitely nice to see things that you don't normally think about.
Oh, it's fantastic. I couldn't ask for any more.
I think it was great. Hands-on, it's always a good thing. You learn techniques that you're not aware of.
It's great. I'm learning some things that I definitely need to know, and some skills that I never even thought would be a part of this.
It was perfect. I learned a lot of techniques and procedures, to cut time and, produce a better job.
Hands-on training is awesome. Able to use some tools that I haven't used before, and will probably try to add those to my arsenal.
I've loved it. It's helped me out with a lot of things I didn't know, learned a lot of things I've been doing wrong, and just going to keep trying.
It was beautiful. I get to ask a lot of questions, and I learned a lot. And it was good seeing a shiny car at the end.
The thing that struck me the most was the team that is working with you down in the warehouse. I love the fact that they were just so willing to help you, because this is my first rodeo in detailing, and I thought they just did a fantastic job working together with us. It was helpful.
Absolutely amazing. You learn all the products, all the tools you need step by step to do a detail car.
Very informative. Nick and his team do a very good job of teaching you very little details and just showing you the ropes.
I really enjoyed it. It helped me learn a lot that I didn't know. Really helped me.
Learning how to use the equipment properly, and it's been great so far.
So far, the hands-on class has been a learning experience. I'm enjoying it, looking forward to getting back down there and finishing up what we started.
Of course I would.
Absolutely.
Of course I would, yes.
Absolutely.
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 I definitely will.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. Anyone starting out should come here and gain as much knowledge as they can.
Yes, I would.
Definitely.
I would absolutely refer anybody that's interested in detailing. If you've never done it before, you got to come to Detail King. It's the absolute best. I mean that.
Absolutely. If you're looking for the blueprint, this is the place to be.
Yes, I would.
Absolutely.
I would, actually. I've already referred several persons, so yes.